Stonehenge, the prehistoric monument in Wiltshire, England, about 2 hours or 90 miles from London, is a well-known wonder of the ancient world. We group these mysterious stones with other sites such as the Great Pyramid at Giza, Chichen Itza, or the Taj Mahal. We learn about them in school or see them on Doctor Who. And our minds create a fantasy of how magical it would be to experience Stonehenge in person, to walk among the stones, and to see in person what amazing photos have captured. They say few things ever live up to the hype. This is our trip to Stonehenge. Okay, logistics. This is Stonehenge in relation to London. The closest town to Stonehenge is Salisbury. You can take the South Western Railway from Waterloo Station in London to Salisbury, a 90-minute train ride. You can check their website for train schedule. When we checked, a single ticket was £40. From Salisbury Station, you can board the Stonehenge tour bus. It costs around £30 and includes access to several sites in and around Stonehenge, as well as Stonehenge itself. Upon arriving at Stonehenge, you can purchase your ticket at the Welcome Centre for £16 unless it was included in your tour. If included in your tour, your guide will hand you a ticket. You can either walk to the stones from the visitor center or take the bus. It's 40 minutes walking or 5 minutes with the bus. Sierra says take the bus since the weather is mostly bad. Depending on the crowds, you will have to wait for a bus. Once off the bus, it's a 2-minute walk to the stones. As you can see, the weather is unpleasant. This is about the closest you can get to the stones, unless you're President Obama.
Yeah, we can give you a minute. Go ahead.
Give me a minute. I want to just...
By the way, that over there is the A303 highway. There are several paths that allow you to circumambulate the stones. So Stonehenge is in the middle of nowhere, which I liked. It retains what we perceive as the originality of the landscape. I'm including this video to give you an idea of what to expect, weather-wise. So we're told this is the normal weather to expect at Stonehenge, which leaves little comfort for reflecting on life, liberty, or how and why these things were built. So if you daydream of traveling to England and sitting and spending the day in deep reflection with the stones, think again, or hope and pray for good weather. The gift shop isn't bad though. I got this for Sierra. Outside the visitor center, you will find these huts. Some of the huts feature demonstrations on life during these eras.
Yeah, they would have used that's flint. They would have used stone at first, yeah. So we got flint in the earth around here. So they would have used that, and that's what it looks like when it comes out of the ground. Look.
So they have to transform from there in order
Yes.
to be like this, in order to cut. So they have to discover that.
Yeah, they call it flint. Napping. Yeah, they keep on hitting it, and little bits would come off. So lots of skill, yes.
Here's a sample of one of the stones you can try to move. Final thoughts on Stonehenge? If it's on your bucket list, then go. It's fairly easy to get to, safe, and family friendly. There are several ancient artifacts around the area in addition to Stonehenge that you can visit if you choose to travel on your own or via the Stonehenge tour bus from Salisbury Station. You can easily make a day out of it. Just note transportation costs could add up quickly if you're doing this route. We selected a package tour from London where Stonehenge was a single stop. The benefits were a fixed price, a tour guide, coach bus transportation, and other English attractions such as Windsor Castle, Bath, and lunch in Laycock, all in the same tour. Total cost £100, but the trade-off was only 1 hour at Stonehenge. But given the weather that you see in these videos, 1 hour was probably more than enough.